My name is Godliver Owomugisha. I'm a senior lecturer at the Faculty of Engineering, Busitema University. I'm also a researcher in artificial intelligence applied in the area of agriculture to solve the challenge of crop disease as we look into food security. From the data science and artificial intelligence side, so we said, could we automate some of these tasks? For example, diagnosing these diseases using a mobile phone. We work with cassava as the crop here. Cassava is a very staple food crop in Africa that's faced with so many diseases. The problem we have right now is the time of diagnosis. Usually by the time this happens, the root part of the crop is already affected. Could we detect these diseases early enough when we can make an intervention? So we are using modern technologies. I would say spectrometry is one of them. We inform the people that this crop is sick before a lot of damage is caused. We've constructed a low-cost spectrometry technology that should help smallholder farmers to diagnose diseases in their farms. So the technology is cheap and it's user-friendly. It also works on a mobile phone platform. So this helps the farmers to use the tool very well. So, we work with a team of biochemists and a team also of data scientists. The biochemists help us with the ground truth that we need to know about this plant. This experiment is very expensive, so that's why the AI and data science is very vital in this process, that once we've learned some of the things, we don't have to come and repeat them over time. We always learn from the data that we have.
My name is Priscilla Wakarera, a soil scientist and the CEO and co-founder of Ria Soil Health Management. We offer crucial soil nutritional data to smallholder farmers to guide them in their crop suitability and input use at planting. See, smallholder farmers in Kenya and Africa generally lack access to convenient, timely, and accessible soil testing solutions. This leads them to make uninformed input during planting, leading to yield loss and loss of revenue. Our solution offers on-site soil testing and real-time delivery of results and recommendations. We're making soil testing timely, convenient, and accessible to smallholder farmers. We have tailored this in the Ria AgriPad, an innovative IoT sensor-powered device that utilizes IoT technology as well as sensors and has an embedded AI recommendation system. So the solution works in 3 easy steps. A soil testing agent collects soil samples on the farm and inserts the device into the composite soil sample. They run an analysis using the sensor-powered, transmit the data through IoT into our servers, whereby our recommender system generates an output of the fertilizer recommendations, crop suitability use, pH adjustment recommendations, as well as an irrigation schedule. You look at some of the challenges that we face, and especially in the Kenyan context, in building such systems, is access to data and curated data for this purpose. Is when you're looking at soil data in Kenya, we don't have geotagged soil data that would be easily available for anyone to just get from an open source or available database, making prototyping really difficult. And then you also have to deal with mental models with the farming society. So how we have been able to solve these challenges is, one, with working with organizations that are mandated to have this data, and then engaging with them through partnerships to curate our prototype and also to build our system. We have also worked directly with farmers to learn what they need when they need it. So we have this system where we call building for your users, with your users, and in our case, with our farmers. And we learned that what farmers really care about is the human-to-human touch, despite use of technology. So as much as we're using our AI technology, we have agents who are agronomists on the ground, collecting the soil samples, and also giving the recommendations through the app to the farmers, making sure that the farmers can see that it's a really seamless process. So in future, we're looking at AI as something that will revolutionize the whole agricultural value chain. We're going to ensure that food production is faster because everything, the incorporation of precision agriculture will ensure less yield loss, better quality nutritional foods, and also healthier population.